Hello. Good morning guys. Well, for today's video, ang ating recipe ay chicken burger with creamy chicken mushroom sauce. So, ayan, ipiprito lang muna natin ang ating chicken burger. And then, while piniprito, ipiprepare po natin ang ating sauce sa half cup of water with chicken cubes. And lagyan po natin ng paminta and konting asin. And don't forget the fresh milk. And then after nyan, magigisa po tayo ng bawang and sibuyas sa butter para mas malasa. And then pwede na po nating ilagay ang ating mushroom. Medyo pa brownish lang natin ng konti yung mushroom, and then pwede na po nating ilagay ang ating sauce. Konting kulo lang yan guys, then okay na siya and ready to spread sa ibabaw ng ating chicken burger. Well, hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching.